Today I'm going to show you how to build a teleprompter for under $5. Also stick around until the end of the build and I'll give you my suggestion for what I think is the best teleprompter app on the market. Some people are at ease in front of a camera, but if you're like me, your mind goes blank trying to find the right words as soon as you press the record button. My name is Brad, and in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly build a teleprompter with some common supplies from your local dollar store. I used to host a bi-monthly news segment and use this teleprompter for those videos. It worked for what I needed, but the setup took forever and the software was unpredictable. I've been away from the camera for a little while, working on other projects, and decided it was time to get back to making videos and sharing my passion for building things in the process. But before I really got started, I needed to find a way to replace this clunky old thing. It was great for larger studio cameras, but now I'm using a Canon M50, and I wanted to get this Parrot teleprompter from Padcaster, but even with Amazon Prime, items are taking up to a month to deliver right now. So let's jump right into this build. For this project, you'll need some black foam board, a 3x5 picture frame, duct tape, a clipboard or a thin piece of wood, and two 2 to 3 inch L brackets. For tools, you'll need something to mark with. I'm using a Sharpie, a ruler, scissors, X-Acto knife or razor blade, and a hot glue gun. To start, open up the frame and remove the cardboard in the back cover. You can discard these items or save them for another project. Make sure you clean the glass really well. It usually has residue on it from the packaging. Measure the frame and the width of the poster board to find the center. Mine was 20 inches. Cut a full-length piece of the foam to the width of the frame. Then, placing it in the center, mark the board to find your bin marks. Cut diagonally 45-degree angles on either side of the board so the foam starts to take shape. Gently score the bin marks and then place around the frame to figure out where the excess is for cutting it off later. Next, using the lens cover, mark the board in the center and cut it out. Since I didn't have any black foam, I'm using construction paper glued to the inside to make it as dark as possible so you can see the text from the teleprompter app. After you've cut out all the pieces, you can start taping it into the frame. I glued my frame in with a glue stick to hold it together while applying the tape. For this next step, you will need to glue the L brackets to the back of the box you made and attach them to the clipboard. Be sure to leave enough space to hold your phone. Also, if you're attaching it to a tripod, you will need to drill a hole where your shoe attachment goes. Since my build is only a temporary one, until I can order the Parrot teleprompter, I decided not to attach mine to a clipboard. Instead, I'm setting my phone on a box under the glass. Because of this, I needed to attach a string to hang it from my viewfinder. This works fine for my setup, and you might need to do something different for your build as well. As promised at the beginning of this video, I said that I would share what I thought was the best teleprompter app on the market. I use PromptSmart. It has patented voice-tracked speech recognition, which allows the text to follow along with my natural rate of speech. I have no ties to the software. In fact, I found it from a video by Justin Brown on Primal Videos, and for $20, it's a great app. That price is probably going to change real soon, since the company is switching over to a subscription-based service. This is also available on both iOS and Android. I hope that you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful for building your own teleprompter. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so that you're notified when new content is posted. Until next time, I'm Brad, and this has been your Simple Build.